been raised over a large increase in the number of stroke, no? Attributed po ito sa poor lifestyle and yung mga choices natin like smoking and drinking and then mga fatty food. Nandito po ang mga doctors natin. Welcome po, and I hope you can enlighten our televiewers.
First, you have to understand that the mechanism for stroke is usually increase in blood pressure, then the blood pressure becomes too severe that it ruptures your blood vessel in the brain, then producing a large hematoma or a bleeding area in the brain, and can cause like paralysis in a particular part of your body. So the first thing you have to do is to control the blood pressure. So anything that can control or decrease the blood pressure would be helpful. There are particular agents or particular choices or food that usually increases the blood pressure, that salt, for example, fatty food, lifestyle, smoking. The use of pills, the stress of work can also be one of attributory factors that can increase blood pressure. There are a lot, especially nowadays when lifestyle is becoming more complicated. It's becoming harder for people to normalize their blood pressure.
Para ma-address mo agad yung taong nagka-stroke, ang tinatawag, act fast. Fast means letter F. Yung face niya, madedetermine mo kung meron bang asymmetry, hindi na pantay. O yung letter A, doon yung arms, try nyo pataas. Then yung speech niya, ipatry nyo pasalita kung slurred na yung speech niya. And one of the important factor doon, yung time. Time is very precious. Kaya kung pwede, dalhin nyo agad sa hospital. Kasi in the first 30 minutes, merong pwedeng gawin sa hospital na could really reverse yung outcome ng stroke niya. Kasi katulad niyan sabi ni Dr. Ramirez, meron tayong tinatawag sa stroke na yung parang black at saka bleed. Yung tinatawag nating black, yun yung nagbara. So pag nabarahan yung area na sinusuplayan ng blood na yun, so walang oxygen, walang nutrients, namamatay. Kung yun yung area na para sa kamay, so malamang yung kamay niya may weakness o hindi niya na move o yung sa speech niya. Pwede ring bleed kasi yung mga tao na alcoholic po, yung liver nila tinatamaan, yung coagulation din, yung bleeding madali sa kanila. So, pwedeng pag tumaas nga yung BP, nagbi-bleed dun sa area na may mga weak part ng blood vessel natin.
Actually, doctors, it's very alarming, no? That yung stroke natin sa bansa natin, talaga namang masyadong malaganap na, no? Wala siyang pinipiling edad. Meron akong case na friend na naglalaro ng badminton in the middle of the court, 30 years old, sumakit ang dibdib, on the spot namatay. Could you please explain to our audience how Laminin was able to repair, no, yung kanilang condition?
Ang fibroblast growth factor, nagbibigay siyang signal sa neural stem cells. In the advent of the stem cell technology, na nakita nila in the research na fibroblast growth factor could signal the neural stem cell. So, inuutusan niya to repair and regenerate the area na na-damage. So, unti-unti niyang bubuhayin yung area na yon. Pero una ang gagawin niya po, sisiguraduhin niya yung nagbibigay supply, yung blood vessel, pwedeng daluyan ng dugo. Kasi kahit i-repair niya ng area na yon, kung wala pa rin, di pa rin na-repair yung blood vessel, it would be useless. So, yung mga tao pong may stroke na, so wag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Kasi I've known personally somebody who experienced 13 years of stroke, bedridden na siya. So, akala namin wala nang ikaka-improve yung situation niya. Doon po, nung pinatake namin siya ng Laminin, na-start po nakaramdam yung paa niya, na-move niya po yung toes niya from being bedridden. In less than a year of taking Laminin, wheelchair-borne na po siya. Ibig sabihin, nakakaupo na siya from 13 years of being bedridden. Hindi man siya makabalik sa dating paraan niyang paglakad o buhay, pero at least yung quality of life ng taong na-stroke, mabibigyan ng sa yung kanyang buhay na feeling niya wala na siyang silbi, di ba?
And kanina rin, Miss Ana, no, sa crowd natin, meron daw yung 8 years old ba yun? 13 years old na bata. Also, bedridden.
Half paralyzed, yes. An 8-year-old child.
And now, gumagalaw na yung kamay.
We can assume that one of the effects of a stroke is being paralyzed, no?
Yes.
And I have seen also a lot of people through Be Alive na nagre-recover from paralysis
The first thing, Dr. Magalona already discussed about the fibroblast growth factor, which is important in the repair process. The laminine also has some ingredients that are important in recovery of stroke patients, which is actually the amino acids. The amino acids are the building blocks of our cell. They make up the cell. Kung kulang ka sa amino acid, hindi makaka-repair ang cell mo. So any damaged part of the brain will not repair kung kulang ka sa amino acid. I'll give you an example. The most important amino acid for stroke patients is arginine, because arginine is converted to nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator. A vasodilator makes your blood vessels bigger, bumababa yung blood pressure mo. So when it's bigger, more blood supply, more recovery, more increase in repair of the damaged cells, so you recover. That's over and above the fibroblast growth factor, which only available in laminine.
Marami nagtatanong, ito ba ay stem cell? Ang sagot naman namin ho ay hindi.
No.
So maybe Susan can explain this, or the doctors as well, no?
Of course, it's not a stem cell therapy. Ang layman's po doon is like, para siyang fertilizer siya ng stem cell. Tama po ba?
Lahat ng cells ng tao has a fibroblast growth factor receptor. So, ibig sabihin, yung fibroblast growth factor, meron siyang silbi dun sa cell. So, once na yung pintuan na yun, yung receptor na yun, pag nag-attach yung fibroblast growth factor dun sa receptor, either somatic cell, yung mismong mga cell natin, skin cell, heart cell, lung cell, or mismong mga stem cell, pag nag-attach siya doon, it gives signal or it transmits signal doon sa cell na yun kung what is the proper function. Ang ano niya po, negative feedback mechanism. Kung sa tingin niya na overstimulated yung cell, bibigay siya ng signal na, oops, pupunta ka sa normal na activity. Kung kulang naman, bibigay siya ng signal na bubuhayin niya yung cell. So, yung stem cell na sinasabi, yung innate stem cell natin, ang
Sarili
binubuhay,
natin,
yung sarili, hindi tayo nagdadagdag kung nanggagaling sa
Tupa.
sa kung saan-saan, tupa, sa bone marrow natin. Pero ang laminine po, yung pinapalakas niya yung sarili nating sundalo sa katawan natin. So, yun po ang ginagawa ng fibroblast growth factor na nandoon sa laminine.
Yun po ang pinaka-importanteng wala po kahit na anong supplement. Ngayon, yung ibang supplement, maganda ba? Maganda rin. Pero pagka gumamit po kayo ng laminine in conjunction with that, yung fibroblast growth factor ng laminine, i-enhance niya pa yung tama ba?
Yes, yes. Oh, fantastic. Sabi nga nila, people are defined by the choices they make.
Sa muling pagpapatuloy po ng inyong Sunday morning kakwentuhan, isa pang story ang tungkol sa stroke na ihahatid namin sa inyo. So don't switch that dial and stay with us.